Speech Corner Sticky Steps, Speech Sounds, Set 1. When you open the box, you're going to get the sticky stepper and 4 sets of response cards. You're going to get 2-element S clusters, 3-element S clusters, multisyllabic words, and initial and final K. And these are your speech sound cards. As you can see here, we dealt each student 3 cards targeting their own specific goals. All students don't need to be working on the same color. This student is working on 2-element S clusters. The other 2 are initial and final K. The student 1 will pick a square mystery response card. It says 10 times. So they're going to choose one of their cards. They chose cow, and they're going to say it 10 times. The next student is going to pick one, and it's going to say 6 times. They're going to pick any one of their cards and say it 6 times. Then they'll draw from the draw pile and replace, so they'll always have 3 cards in front of them. You can mix and match your square mystery response cards to work on prosody or repetitions, whichever you choose. Throughout the game, they might land on a sticky gum, a coin, or a stinky poo card. The gum and poo make you lose a turn, and the coin allows you to have an extra turn.